Can AI understand human emotions, like happiness, sadness, or anger? Well, let's find out the exciting truth in today's big question. What are emotions? Let's begin with something simple. You smile when you're happy. You cry when you're sad. You frown when you're angry. These are called emotions, and humans show them through facial expressions, voice tone, body movements, and words we speak. But can a machine understand all of that? Let's see. What is emotional AI? It's a special kind of AI that tries to detect how you feel. Read your face and tone of voice. Understand words that show emotions and react kindly or helpfully. It doesn't really feel anything, but it tries to guess your mood. How does it work? The AI looks at your face using a camera. Are you smiling or frowning? It listens to your voice. Are you shouting or whispering? It reads the words you say or type. Then it guesses. Maybe this person is sad. Let me cheer them up. It's like a robot trying to be a good friend.